Hey, what's up guys? Right now I'm going to be doing a YouTube video and I'm going to be trying these really weird foods. But okay, so they're freeze-dried foods that you buy when you're like camping. This one's chicken teriyaki with rice and vegetables. Seems good, but I haven't tasted them, so we'll see about that one. And then I have this other one, and it's a breakfast skillet with hash browns and scrambled eggs mixed with pork, sausage patty, peppers, and onions. So I'm going to be testing both of them in today's video and seeing which one I like better and giving it a little rating, I guess. And yeah, I'll go boil the water and I'll see you in a minute. Oh, a few seconds. Bye. Okay, so the water's boiling and I'm going to open up the breakfast one right now. So, ooh, it won't come off. Okay, let's see what, ooh. There's nuggets of scrambled eggs. Nuggets of hash browns. You don't want to eat this. It has do not eat on it. And it's filled with a bunch of other stuff. So let me go get the water and let's see what it tastes like. Alright, got the boiling water right here. I'm actually going to go pour it in over there, and I'll be back over here in a second. Alright, I gotta get water for the other one. The pot isn't big enough. I forgot I already had water poured for it. Okay, there goes in the water. I like to put a little bit of salt in my water when I boil it so that it warms up faster. So, I gotta let this sit for a little bit and then I'll record again when it's done. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm letting the water seep into all the pieces in here. So it's not done yet. It's only been like, I don't know, 5 minutes. It says let stand 8 to 9 minutes. And it's starting to enjoy right out of the pouch. But the water for the chicken teriyaki one is ready. So let's go ahead and open that one up and pour the water in. I don't like this. Ooh, this looks really good. It's hard to do it, but oh no. I don't want a piece to fall out, so it looks pretty good. Looks like Spanish rice almost. Like that pre-packaged stuff that you can buy at the store, like that. So I'm gonna go get the water, pour it in, and yeah. So turn off the boiler, turn off the burner because this is the last one. Pour it in. I'm burning my hand. Ooh, this smells so good. You know, I might just buy this and have it for dinner when my mom's working one night. Alright, poured the water in. Now, I stirred up the other one with this, so I'm just going to stir this one up with it because not all the water touched it, but it has to be touched, all of it. So, stirring it in. Honestly, I think that it needs a little more water. Just a second. put some cool water in here so they will cool down faster. Because that water's super hot. It kind of burned my hand. I don't know if you can see it, but it hurts. So let's stir it up one more time, and then we'll have to, maybe in a few minutes, the breakfast skillet will be done, and I'll see you then. Okay, so I just let the water seep into all the food in the bags, and I have some of it right here. So what just happened was, apparently I didn't have enough storage on my phone to continue recording, because I was just recording on clip and then it randomly went out of the camera app on my phone. So I had to go delete some apps off my phone and come back here and film it. It wasn't that long, it was only like 30 seconds because the apps were easy to delete. But yeah. So the chicken teriyaki, I already have it in bowls because that's why I had it in before it stopped filming. It's good. I didn't even need to eat anymore. It's good, just I wouldn't eat it every single day. I would give it a 7 out of 10. And let me get a drink. Okay, next up, breakfast skillet. I'm trying not to make this too long because I don't want my phone to go out of the camera app again. So, potato, egg, it's good. And then hash brown. It's tough, but good. So, I'm going to go edit this video and finish these, and I'll upload the video, and it'll be in like a few minutes because I don't have to actually edit. I just have to put the videos together. Okay, bye.